Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I have a Sierra Blue one here, and it's a 256 GB 13 Pro Max. So that's the box, guys. So it's the 3-camera system. So that's the SIM tray here, the volume rocker keys, the mute key here, and the power button is on the right hand side as usual. Down here you get the lightning port. So let's take off the white sheet. So what's in this? Oh, it's got the SIM tool and Apple sticker as usual. The lightning cable. So the only drawback is it doesn't come with the wall charger. You'll need to purchase the wall charger separately. So in terms, I'll just go through an overview of the specs. So the weight of the iPhone 13 Pro Max is 238 grams, and the display is 6.7 inches. It's a HDR display, and it comes in capacities of 128 GB, 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 terabyte. And the colors include graphite, gold, silver, and Sierra Blue. This is a Sierra Blue one. And water resistance is IP68 rated. And this has a 3-camera system here, as you can see here, 3 cameras. And it also records video in 4K at 60 frames per second. So I'll leave a link in the description and you can check out the full specs on the Apple website. Alright, let's turn this thing on and let's set it up. Okay guys, I'm on the quick start page now. So I'm gonna bring an existing phone closer and to do the quick start setup. So I'm gonna tap on continue on the old iPhone and it's gonna connect. So hold the iPhone onto the image display on the new one, and it says enter the passcode of your old iPhone. So I'm gonna key that in. So now I'm gonna connect the iPhone to the Wi-Fi. It's gonna activate the iPhone. So on the old iPhone it says keep this phone closer to the new one for it to transfer data across the new one. So I just keep here. Face ID, I'm just gonna tap setup later. So I'm going to do a direct transfer of data from the old one to the new one. So I'm going to tap on, I'm just going to see what options they have. So I'm going to tap on other options and see what they have. Okay, so we're going to agree on the terms and conditions. So I'm going to tap on transfer directly from iPhone. Right, so we're on the next screen which says make this your new iPhone. I'm going to tap on continue. It says keep your iPhone up to date. Just going to download any pending updates. So if you had previous cards on your iPhone, it will display on this previous cards screen. So I'm just going to tap continue. Right, on the next screen it says improve Siri and dictation. I'm going to tap up now. So the next screen is iPhone Analytics. I'm going to tap on don't share. Okay, now it's transferring data from the old to new. So the duration depends on the data you have on the old iPhone. So on this one it says about, it's increasing, now it's 15 minutes, but generally it's about 20 to 30 minutes. So just gonna pause the video here and then get back to you when the next screen appears. Okay guys, the transfer is complete and it's just setting up the phone now. It's gone a bit dark now, so as you can see, you can probably see the progression bar going on with the Apple logo there. So on the old iPhone you'll see a screen that says transfer is complete, as you can see here. Okay guys, it's all set up. So I'm gonna unlock the phone and see what's new in it. So all the apps have transferred across. Can't see anything specifically new. So the iOS version on this is 15.0.1. So let's see if there are any pending updates. Turn off installation of automatic updates. So guys, I bought a transparent case from eBay. I'll leave the link to this case in the description. So let's see how well this fits. Yeah, it's pretty good. Got padding on corners, and the edge is a bit lifted, so if it ever hits the ground it protects the screen. And for protection for the cameras, yeah, this edge is also a bit lifted, so it protects the cameras if the phone falls flat like that. Right, I'm gonna do a comparison of a photo quality with a iPhone XS Max. So when you open up the camera app, it says choose your style, choose the photographic style. So I'm gonna tap on choose. There's standard, there's no tone, no warmth. There's rich contrast style, which is tone of -50, vibrant, warm, cool style. I'll select vibrant, so I'm going to tap on use vibrant. Alright, might as well keep it on standard so I can compare the same photo with the XS Max. So guys, that's comparison of the quality. Can't see much difference. So let's check out the video options on this one. So you can select between 4K HD here, and then change the frames per second as well to 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. It's pretty good. So I'll be posting a few videos using the 4K mode, and you can see the quality of the cameras.